today I have got something extra special for you. So of course, the true colours are on, so it is a house tour video. But today I'm able to show you around one of our longest standing clients' houses. He's been a fan of Bang Olufsen for years, and we have worked with him throughout his home to place various pieces. Now, to tell you a little bit more about our client, he comes from an engineering background, and you will see throughout his home he has a love of art and music, and you're going to see various homages to that today. Initially, you can see the first thing we're greeted by as we walk into the entrance foyer is a beautiful piece by Mr. Brainwash, with his slogan, "Life is beautiful." And if you want to follow me through, I'm going to start by taking you guys into the client's dressing room. Throughout the home, you're going to notice there are some signature colours. The client is a fan of yellow gold, a lot of sculptural work in bronze, and various dark wood items. And you'll see we've been able to design our Bang Olufsen pieces accordingly. Very discreetly over here, you will see our first Beosound 2 in a brushed brass finish. The client likes to stream music through whilst he's getting ready in the morning in his dressing room here. The beauty of the Beosound 2 is, yes, this one is placed in a corner. It is a true 160-degree speaker. So of course, following the acoustic room compensation of it, the Beosound 2 will calibrate itself accordingly to use the wall to amplify the sound around the home. But first things first, a very, very lovely dressing room to get ready in the morning. Next, if you want to follow me through, I'm going to take you into the client's master bedroom. Again, a very nice, beautiful space to come and relax. Initially, you're going to be greeted by this beautiful yellow gold Beovision theatre with a set of Beolab 8s table mounted either side for the front, left and right channels. Client was telling me the first thing he likes to do in the morning is turn the Beovision theatre on. He has a number of wacky playlists he was telling me about that helps him get up in the morning. But a real nice homage here to Bang Olufsen, and you can see the yellow gold matching varying pieces throughout the home, such as the table lamps here hung from the ceiling in the matte black with the yellow gold. Now, just to talk to you a little bit about this room. So, of course, we are in a very, very nice property today. So there is a number of security features around the home which do use a lot of the client's network. Now, if you follow me, I'm just going to take you through the client's home. So when we first started to implement a lot of Bang Olufsen products in the home, we were noticing a lot of interference on the wireless network. So we have done a wireless upgrade around the property. I'm not going to talk to you too much about that today. Today is predominantly house tour. I am going to do a follow-up video at some point in the future just to talk you around networking and how Bang Olufsen recommend your network. But we have a Ubiquity access point here. Now, when we first set the Beovision theatre up with a Beolab 8, we were noticing interference. Now, we have a bit of software. Can't name drop what the software is, but I'm sure I'll be able to talk to you about it at some point in the future. We do have a motion sensor at the top. Now, we had a quick look at the wireless networking in the room, and we did notice that was causing quite a bit of interference with our Beolab 8s. So rather than them actually being on the wireless network as such, we have hardwired them to an access point down in the corner there, cutting out that variability of any interaction with the motion sensor there. Now, if you want to follow me through to the client's ensuite, as you can see, this very much summarizes his color palette to a T. We have a lot of oak, marble, and again, some really beautiful yellow gold pieces in here. Now, at the minute, we are in talks. I'm trying very hard to persuade our client. He has noticed, of course, when he comes in the morning to do his morning routine, wash, etc. At the minute, there isn't anywhere to play music in here. Now, we are in a fortunate position where there is a cavity ceiling with a nice space in between. So we are proposing where we could go next for this room is a couple of in-ceiling celestial speakers. Of course, they would be finished in our beautiful yellow gold covers, But that would provide our client with a very nice multi-room capability, but also a stereo performance, having both of them in the ceilings. So next, you're going to follow me into a very special room, and one that our client, of course, spends a lot of time in, his office. Now, as we walk through to the office, you are going to notice, again, some more very special pieces of art. There are, of course, a few artists that our client is particularly fond of. Of course, we've touched on Mr. Brainwash. We have a number of pieces around the property by him. And then we have some very, very beautiful and special bronze sculptures, I should say, by an artist called Michael Talbot. I am going to touch on some of the artwork because it is something that our client is a massive fan of. Now, I do just want to touch on this particular piece here because he did tell me a very special story about this. Now, he got this bespoke from the artist himself, Michael Talbot. Now, the story behind this particular piece is Mr. Talbot was a ballerina all day, trying to get the right pose that he wanted to sculpture. And at the end of the day, he hadn't found the pose. And the ballerina flopped down on the pole. And then all of a sudden, he realized that was the moment. And from then, he took a still image and was able to put the sculpture together. But back on to Bang Olufsen. Again, signature color palette is a lot of wood and yellow gold. Now, for his office, he has got, again, another Beosound theatre linked to a compatible LG panel. Now, the theatre itself, he has connected to a set of very beautiful Beolab 28s. This particular setup, if he was watching, say, the football or a film in here whilst he's at work, he could have the theatre as his front channels and then our two Beolab 28s as his rear channels. He does also love listening to music, and of course our Beolab 28s are an audiophile's dream when it comes to listening to music. So we have a number of different listening positions set up around his home in this particular building, which of course we can do through the calibration settings on the theatre. Of course, we have everything working in harmony, but then we have a bespoke listening position where we just have the Beolab 28 stereo paired together, which you can see the first one here, and the second one is over here. Very beautiful pieces that sit very well in his home. Now, the beauty of these is the beam width control that the Beolab 28s have on them. I mean, you can see how they're pieced. Ultimately, nobody is ever going to sit in the middle of the room here. We have this gorgeous fireplace in the way. So we automatically calibrate the Beolab 28s to be in the wide beam configuration to fill the whole office and seating area with sound. So it's a really special piece. And again, a little homage to the client's color palette is we have a very beautiful Beosound 2 finished in the yellow gold, which every now and then the client just wants to stream to. Again, for a flexible living product, it's a beautiful piece with the acoustic lens technology. These sound incredible and pack a serious punch for the size. So every now and then, just for some light listening, if you're not wanting to really ramp up the volume and spread it throughout the home, a Beosound 2 really is a beautiful piece to listen to music on. Again, if you just want to briefly follow me through here, we're going to go into one of the back rooms. Again, you're going to see a beautiful touch to the client's keen interest in art. Now, if you follow me through here, is one of the guest bedrooms, or another guest bedroom. Again, you're going to notice that every guest bedroom has a piece of Bang Olufsen in. Our client wants all of his guests to feel at ease in his property, and if they want to stream and listen to some light music before or in the morning of going to bed, they can do. So again, we have another very beautiful yellow gold Beosound 2. Potentially, in the future, we could look at putting a Beosound A5 in. Now, the first thing I noticed when I walked into this particular ensuite is there's a lot of dark oak. I personally think a Beosound A5 in dark oak would look amazing in this ensuite here. But let me know your thoughts in the comments on that. Now, if you want to follow me through into the third guest bedroom in this house, again, there's some beautiful pictures on the wall. Our client is very much a family man. I'm not going to show those to you. Now we have a different flexible living product in here. We have a very beautiful Beosound level. Again, you'll notice a lot of wood in yellow gold. Our client saw this speaker, listened to it, and fell in love with it. Aesthetically, a very beautiful piece. Positioned like that, it is a 180-degree speaker. There is a sort of almost a long-standing headrest to the bed. It is fabric, acoustically not very good. So we decided to not put a Beosound 2 here, because in terms of a sound emitter and reflector, this particular backrest, it's no good. It's not what we'd be looking for. So in this particular room, we placed a 180-degree Beosound level. There is another ensuite in here. Again, there is a lot of dark oak. If it was me, I would again be very tempted to put another Beosound A5 in here, or even just a little Beosound A1. You know, a Beosound A1 in the graphite finished would sit beautifully and very discreetly. And of course, both speakers are water resistant and dust proof as well. Now, if you want to follow me, I'm going to take you to another part of the house, which really is a homage to our clients' keen interests of art, sculptures, and a bit more about this engineering background. So if you want to follow me, I'm going to take you upstairs. Now, as I take you upstairs, I'm going to stop halfway. Now, yes, we are in a luxurious and very, very special house here in Nottinghamshire. But our client has worked very, very hard to achieve what he has achieved in life. And this particular piece here is a demonstration or a visualization of our client's upbringing from a traditional terrace house to where he is today. So I'm going to continue upstairs. Now, the first things first, initially you are met with this very special piece. Now, our client was on his way back from a particular trip abroad, and he noticed this particular piece. This is actually a reformed wing from a Boeing 747. Again, a touch to our client's engineering background. A really beautiful piece that has been refurbished and refined to a very high standard. You can even see the weaving reflects beautiful in the carbon fibre elements as part of the reformed wing. Really beautiful. Now, this is the client's main kitchen. Throughout the house, of course, we have a dining table here, and again, a predominant dark oak theme for the kitchen, with again, more touch to yellow gold. Now, you probably can't see it. It sits into this room so well. But over here in the corner, we have again, another yellow Beosound 2. Placed in the corner, after calibration, uses it very well to distribute just a nice bit of light music whilst the client is hosting in this particular part of the property. But if you follow me through here, we're going to be greeted, I should say, by the main lounge area, where we have a particularly special product for you today, our Beovision Harmony. This particular variant has a bespoke yellow gold floor stand, and just look at the harmony in all of its glory.
Snorkels and home viewing go hand in hand down by the Devon Sea on BBC One. Escape to the country in half an hour after we make it on dry land.
We're a nation.
And you will see shortly the beauty of it folding away and blending back in effortlessly to the room. Really, really special piece that sits this room perfectly. Now, with this being the main part of the customer's home cinema viewing experience, he watches a lot of movie and he has a love of football in Formula One here. So of course, for a bit of extra immersive experience, we have a pair of very beautiful and elegant Beolab 28s connected as rear speakers to our Beovision Harmony. A real nice touch. And again, we have another beautiful Beosound 2 with our brand new logo on, of course, a homage to Bang Olufsen's founding year, 1925. Really beautiful piece. And again, just to point out, I'm not going to go into too much detail. We were having Wi-Fi interference up here with everything working in harmony. So we have put an additional access point, ubiquity access point up here to help with the wireless connectivity. So in an ideal situation, we would have those Beolab 28s in the far left-hand corner and right corner there, with our BeoVision Harmony as our centerpiece. But Bang & Olufsen is not like that. It is much more capable. We can calibrate whatever listening position you want, and the system will adapt accordingly. Now, our client has worked very, very hard. You will see the design. He's worked very closely with a designer called Staunton on this property. And together, it demonstrates how Bang & Olufsen can adapt synonymously throughout your home and in varying design elements. But do let us know what you think of the property. Let us know if there's anything that you would do different, or if there's any other products you think would benefit this home. Now, before I wrap things up here, I can't go without showing you guys the view. Yes, it is not sunny, but have a look at that for a view. Just going to make myself a gin and tonic. No. Jokes aside, guys. I'm here for work today, so I'll not be having a gin and tonic. But before I do sign this video off, I do just want to say, if there was a room for the Beolab 50s, I truly believe this would be it. Our client uses it so much. It's a hosting area as well as an office space. But let me know what you think. Would you replace our Beolab 28s for a set of Beolab 50s? Let me know in the comments below. It's a conversation I'm about to have with our client. Even our Christmas tree is a piece of art in this wonderful home that I've been lucky enough to show you around today. On the note of Christmas, I do hope you guys are having an amazing festive period. I certainly am enjoying myself far too much. But it's been really great to see him. If I don't get to see you guys again before Christmas, I hope you have an amazing Christmas and a Happy New Year. And thank you from all of us at Bang & Olufsen of Birmingham. To book your private appointment today and unlock exclusive in-store benefits, click the link below and experience Bang & Olufsen for yourself.